If this subscriber can beat Ronaldo in a 1v1, I'm going to give him $1 million. In this video, you are going to see the greatest, oh my gosh, the strongest, and the fastest athletes on the entire planet compete against normal people. Starting with Tom Brady. Ready to meet your opponent?
Let's go.
Right over here, high school football player Jake is your opponent. You're each gonna take turns throwing a football at these balloons. First to pop all four wins this $100 grand. And because Tom's 7 Super Bowl rings prove he's the greatest quarterback of all time, his balloons are just a little bit smaller. Jake obviously should throw first because he doesn't have 7 Super Bowl rings. Try to pop that first balloon. The first 1v1 begins right now.
That was the easiest one.
Good throw.
All right, Tom, you're up.
All right, here we go.
Ooh. Oh, you got it.
That happens so fast.
Now it's 20 yards away. Oh my gosh! Two for two!
There we go.
Bro, he's making it look
there we
easy.
go.
Tom, he's your enemy. Stop
That
fist
was
bumping.
good. I mean, I'm impressed.
20 yards, which for Tom should just be a routine. Oh, bro!
He actually missed.
I blame the rain. Wait, did you call that rain in?
Nope, but I did call in Jake's high school football team to cheer him on. Help him beat Brady. Jake! Jake!
Come on, Jake.
Jake! Oh!
Hey, good try.
Tom, surely you're not going to miss the second time.
I shouldn't.
Pull it up. Easy. All right, it's now tied up.
This one's a one. I know it. This one's a one.
Oh! Ah!
Good throw, Jake.
Just
Good
short.
throw.
All right, Tom, you can start trying. Ooh, it's not looking good for our boy Jake. You really got to dig deep here, man. He hits one more, it's over.
I know.
That $100 grand's gonna go to charity. Do you guys believe in him? He hasn't won yet, and it's Tom's throw. 50 yards.
That's a long way, Jimmy.
He's too long. That's disrespectful. You gonna take that? Not gonna lie, I thought Brady, the greatest quarterback to ever live, would breeze through this entire challenge. But nailing a 50-yard dime for any level quarterback was not going to be easy.
Jake, that was a great throw.
You're not gonna get that many chances with this
I
man.
know.
Take advantage of it.
Yo, Tom's getting closer and closer.
It's the biggest moment of your life. You hit that, you beat Tom Brady, you win $100 grand in front of your high school and 200 million people watching.
Come on, Jake. You got this.
All day.
Congrats on beating Tom Brady, winning $100 grand. We have so many more amazing athletes in this video, including the greatest football player to ever play the sport, Cristiano Ronaldo. But before that, let's go see a normal human race the literal fastest man in the world. This is Noah Lyles, a triple world champion and Olympic gold medalist, who is currently the fastest human on Earth. Nobody on the planet can beat him in a 1v1. And for $100 grand, he's gonna be racing Jonah, my friend.
The fattest guy in the world.
If Noah wins, I'll give the money to charity. If Jonah wins, I'll put it in his bank account. But Jonah has a negative 200 chance of beating Noah, which is why we're gonna give him a handicap. This race is going to be 200 meters. But Jonah, of course, I'll give you a head start for a price. You see, every 10 meters you shave off your total distance will cost you $10,000 of your prize money. Let's say you wanna start right here. This is a 10-meter head start.
Smoked within 5 seconds.
Okay, let's try the next one. What about $80,000?
Cooked.
I actually think if you want a chance to win, you should probably do this. 40 grand is like a good chunk of change. You can buy a new car.
Okay, 40 it is. We're doing it.
Your official starting point will be right here, giving you a 60-meter head start and the chance to win $40,000.
I think he's gonna catch a cramp before we get to the end.
How do you do this?
Your feet go on the pads.
He definitely has about half a football field on me. This is gonna be closer than probably most people think.
Okay, runners, are you ready? Let's see if Jonah can beat the fastest man on the planet for 40 grand. On your mark, get set, and they're off. Oh, Jonah's up, Jonah's up.
He's gonna get me.
Jonah, go, 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 go! Run, run!
Oh my God. He's gonna get me, dog. He's coming. He's coming.
Go, go!
He's gonna get me.
Go! Run! Run! Jonah, run!
He jogged through the finish line.
Oh my God, that wasn't even close.
Oh my God! Bro, it's like racing a cheetah. Throw me over your shoulder.
I can't.
Throw me over
Why
your
are you
shoulder.
so sweaty? Ew. Yo, he's on the ground.
All right. Get me again. Let me die.
Noah won. He wants us to donate it to his charity. And by the way, we're bringing back Noah Lyles later in this video to race the fastest streamer on Earth. I show speed. But for now, let's go hit baseball with Bryce Harper. For our next 1v1, we have arguably the greatest hitter on the entire planet, Big Justice. He has been terrorizing his little league. And going up against Big Justice is one of the most lethal hitters baseball has ever seen. Holy.
Wait, this is not fair.
I'm ready.
Bryce Harper's Hall of Fame level batting power has allowed him to hit over 300 home runs, earning him 2 MVP titles, 8 All-Star bids, and even a Home Run Derby championship.
What's up, guys?
Which is why you guys are going to be going head-to-head in a Home Run Derby.
I'm doomed.
Nah, you got this.
But Big Justice is half of Bryce Harper's size, which is why his fence is half the distance of Bryce Harper's.
You're going down.
Let's go get him, big kid.
And just like every other face-off in this video, if Big Justice wins, we're gonna wire him 100 grand. If Bryce Harper wins, we're gonna donate 100 grand to whatever charity he wants.
Oh, well then I kind of want Bryce Harper to win.
No, you both have to try your hardest.
Okay.
Think about the Pokemon cards.
Yeah, the Pokemon cards.
Big Justice might be screwed.
Yeah, no, Big Justice has no chance.
I'm so scared.
Yes, 10 swings. Let's see how many home runs he hits. Oh,
Go down.
that's more of a rainbow,
down,
I think.
down.
No way!
Yeah.
0 for 1. He's not perfect. Oh.
Chandler, that's you.
Catch it, bro. I ain't catching that.
It hit the wall. 100 grand on the line.
Oh my.
Oh my gosh.
That might be a home run right there, bro.
No.
1 for 3. Try to get in his head.
No.
Get up.
Let's go hit the fence.
Get up.
That was like a foot from going over.
No.
Oh.
That is out of the park.
Bro, that was so cool.
Let's go, Bryce.
Oh, 2 for 6. It stayed in the Little League field.
You're so good, Bryce.
Wait, it's out of the stadium. I think they need to make bigger stadiums for Bryce.
You got this. Yes.
Oh, 3 for 8.
If he only hits 3,
You have a shot. Oh, that did not work.
let's go hit the guitar.
Another home run.
I'm tired.
Let's see if he goes 5 for 10.
Yeah. I got this.
4 for 10.
Oh, man. I'm tired.
Here we go.
Go get him. Big Justice might beat Bryce Harper.
I can see it.
Big Justice, between me and you,
Fire him up.
I'm secretly cheering for you.
Let's go.
You got this.
Yeah.
All right.
The only problem with that, he's not even wearing your number.
Wardrobe malfunction.
5 home runs. Big Justice is gonna bring the boom.
25. Are you ready?
Come on, buddy.
He's 1 for 1. Do that 4 more times. 1 for 2.
Hey, that's a rocket, though.
No.
Just missed it. Okay.
That's all right.
Come on, you got this.
Oh, another one.
That's a home run. Let's go.
Let's go, baby. Come on. 3 more and he wins.
I believe in Big Justice.
You got this.
You're halfway there.
You got this.
Come on,
3
baby.
for 6.
Get it done. Come on.
3 for 7.
Come on. You got this.
Is there anything you want to say to your son?
You
We want to say Big Justice, bring the
Come on, baby.
That works! That worked! The boom!
Bring that boom, baby.
Best moment of
All
my
right,
life.
you have 2 swings left. You hit one of these 2 over, you win.
Come on, you got this.
Come on, baby. One more. Let's go right here. End it right here, baby.
Keep going!
That's a home run, baby. Let's go.
Wait,
He's running the bases.
Keep going. You just beat Bryce Harper.
Whoa! I did not know there was confetti there. That scared me. Did that scare you? No.
Look at him. He's so happy.
Yes!
Proud of you, dude.
That was sick. But just wait until you watch Cristiano Ronaldo 1v1 a random guy. But before that, let's see how an amateur golfer tees off against a professional. To my left is Bryson DeChambeau, two-time major golf champion winner. And to my right is Aaron. And obviously, Bryson, I think it's fair to say, is a better golfer.
Yeah.
That's why your hole will be 50 times bigger than his hole.
All right.
There's $100 grand on the line. You win. I wire it in your bank account tomorrow. You win. I'll give it to any charity you want.
I can literally fit in this hole. That's how big it is.
The hole is 330 yards away. How many hits do you think it'll take to get your ball in the hole?
4.
You think 4?
Maybe 3.
Are you just gonna try to yak it all the way over there first swing?
Yeah, just knock it in the hole. No putts.
How does that even make sense?
Genetics.
Genetics? Let's see what happens. $100,000 on the line. Whenever you're ready. Oh, wow. Let's go, Bryson! Okay.
That's pretty dang good.
Thanks, Bryson.
I'm actually really impressed right now that you didn't hit it on the water. Very impressed.
Thank you. Oh my gosh. Hurry up. 1 hole, Bryson.
All right.
1. Just swing the club.
One of the best
Swing
golfers on the planet. I don't even know where it went.
Oh, that might be like way over, dude.
Wait,
That might have gone in the water, actually.
I'm impressed.
the hole's that way, but the ball went that way.
How would you rate your first shot out of 10?
Not good.
All right, right here's your ball. We know because it's blue, and you can see he now has a straight shot for the hole.
If Bryson hit it in the water,
Oh my gosh.
I'm better than him.
Bryce, let's go find your ball. Just because Bryson can hit the ball further doesn't mean it's always a good thing. So before we let Aaron hit, let's see if Bryson will be penalized for his distance. All right, we're looking for his ball. We're getting close to the hole.
It should be up by the green, if anything.
We'll see about that.
This is not looking good, folks.
Yeah, I'm not seeing it.
Nope.
The ball went in the water. So when we place Bryson's ball back onto the golf course, that will count as his second stroke, which means he'll be hitting his third stroke next.
Wow.
All right, Aaron, let's see what you can do.
Technically speaking, he can hit it right now and hit $100 grand.
This is the one. Oh, oh,
Where'd I hit it?
right at the hole.
All right, let's go.
This is crazy. No way.
Oh, it's right next to your ball.
What? Are you kidding me?
What are the odds they're so close?
With his game and my game, it's crazy odds.
Wow.
That's a compliment, by the way.
Thank
That's
you.
A compliment. Okay.
First one today.
Yep.
Have you ever used the Yahoo Sports app?
Yeah, I use it for fantasy football.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
They have a new game called Daily Draw,
Okay.
which we're announcing here.
Is Jimmy really doing an ad right now in this very intense moment?
This is a big swing, which is why while he's doing it, I want to tell you about the brand new game on the Yahoo Sports app. Oh, that's very high up.
There it is. There it is. Short of the green. Very short of the green. I can see it because it's blue.
Are you happy with that swing?
I just need just classic Bryson, just miss a putt, and I should be okay.
Wow.
Should be all right.
Wow. Daily Draw is a free-to-play game available on the Yahoo Sports app. Oh, that's a great swing. It's a phenomenal swing.
Oh, that's looking good. That's looking good. Oh, it's so close.
And in Daily Draw, you get cards and you can use them to try to predict the outcomes of games. If you predict correctly, you could win.
All right, I'm gonna putt this.
Whenever you're ready. If you took the shot he's about to take 100 times.
I'd make it 100.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your whole life led you to this moment. Will this putt win you $100 grand? Oh my gosh.
It got caught on the grass.
That might have been the most embarrassing thing I've ever seen.
I actually kind of feel a little bad.
Yeah. What happened, buddy?
I want to give the charity.
Clearly. And before what could be the final swing, click the link in the description, download the Yahoo Sports app right now, and we're going to be giving $100,000 to people who get the Mr. Beast card in their Daily Draw packs. That's $10,000 each day for 10 days straight, starting on December 20th. And if you sign up for a game reminder, you can win a trip to meet me and the boys for a day and get a selfie with us while you're on set.
Oh my God.
Are you kidding me?
You gotta make that, Bryson.
You know what? I think you need some encouragement. We're going to bring in your wife.
Have you seen me?
I've been watching you from the bushes. Yeah.
No.
Tell him it doesn't matter if he loses.
I can't do that.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, my heart's gonna explode. I'm gonna try my best.
He did!
Massive! Let's go, Bryson!
This will be clipped all over Instagram if you missed. Okay. Somehow you guys tied. So we're gonna take these balls. Aaron, you'll hit from there.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. That went farther.
All right, let's have some fun. For the tiebreaker, moment of truth.
Oh no.
Nolan, watch out.
Oh no.
That was a rocket.
It's in the water. My wife's laughing. I hear her. This hurts even more now.
He gave it a valiant effort, but let's finish the job.
Oh, that's a great hit.
Oh, it's on the
Right
green.
there. Aaron hit the ball in the water. We'll put his ball here. That is his swing. Back to the golf professional.
I need to finish this.
Okay. Oh, that's it.
Oh gosh.
It rimmed out and came towards me.
You got a chance, bro. You got a chance.
I suck at golf.
I just can't shake this guy.
For $100,000. Oh, that looks good.
No, it's not. There it goes, right over our heads.
Oh.
I hate this game. If Bryson misses this, I have a chance.
Last swing.
Oh, it was a pleasure and an honor.
You want to know something that might cheer you up?
What's that?
How about the most popular person I've ever had in a video? But before we hang out with Ronaldo, we're gonna head back to the racetrack because I wanted to give someone else a shot at defeating Noah Lyles. And I had the perfect person in mind.
Why is Mr. Beast calling me right now, y'all? Yo!
Speed, look what I got right here.
Oh, Noah! Noah! Race me!
When you want to lose, man.
I actually in my stream right now and drive it right now.
And I couldn't believe it, but Speed actually showed up to race Noah.
Oh! Are you ready, man?
Every moment was made for me, buddy.
Hey, you know my name's Speed, right?
You gave yourself that name. That's so cute.
This time, Speed, arguably the fastest content creator on the planet, thinks he can beat the fastest man on the planet.
I'm about to take his title.
Didn't everybody at the Olympics say that too?
Oh my God.
I'm gonna steal it from you, man.
If you win again, that's another $100,000 for your charity. If Speed wins, we'll give $100,000 to one of his fans.
After the second step, you will lose all hope and you will want to stop the race. Do not stop this race.
My name's Speed, man. You about to really be in for a shock, bro.
All right, this race is going to be 50 meters. And if Speed somehow wins, he'll officially become the fastest man on the planet. Gentlemen, you both ready?
Let's go.
You know what? All right, let's go, baby.
On your mark, set.
Oh, they're going. Oh, Speed's ahead. Speed's actually ahead.
Oh, he's got a chance. He might beat him.
Oh my God, Speed. It's gonna be close. Oh my God, that was so close.
That was a tie. That was a tie.
Let's watch the video.
That was a tie.
I'm gonna go get my money.
Just bringing you this ultra slow-mo camera. You guys want to see it?
I don't want to see it. Bro, that was a tie.
Then why is the tape on me?
Because you stinky, you sweating.
You sweating too.
What charity do you want me to donate this $100,000 to?
I'd love for Speed to have it, but the kids I'm working for need it more.
Oh my God! Now, before we go hang out with Ronaldo, in our final 1v1 matchup, I want to tell you that on December 19th, we are launching the greatest reality series ever made, with all 10 mind-blowing episodes dropping globally on Prime Video. This show features the most jaw-dropping content ever released on TV. But I'll tell you more about it later because right now, it is finally time to meet up with the biggest guest I have ever had on this channel, Cristiano Ronaldo. For $1 million, Khalid is going to be going head-to-head against the ultimate football phenomenon, Cristiano Ronaldo. The thing standing between you and this $1 million in your bank account is Ronaldo.
I put my lucky shirt with Mr. Beast.
Oh!
He's like my #1 fan.
He's your #1 fan?
I'm his #1 fan.
You're stuttering, you're nervous. Bro, lock in. This is a lot of money. The rules of this contest are simple. Both of you will be taking shots at the targets on the goal. First to hit 3 targets wins. And if Khalid can somehow beat Ronaldo, I'm going to give him $1 million.
Can I just take it with me?
No, you gotta beat him first. What are the odds you think you beat Ronaldo?
Honestly, I think it's a 50-50.
Do you agree with that?
I like him, be confident. It's good.
Okay, yeah. Whenever you're ready, it is on you. 100 million people watching. Oh! All right, no targets hit. Ronaldo, it's your turn.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, they both missed, they both missed. I think that was probably the only blessing you're gonna get this whole video. This may be your last chance to get ahead. Excuse me, Excuse me, Ronaldo. You are currently beating Ronaldo.
Wow.
But you need two more.
Oh my gosh.
This is a lot.
No, this is not a lot. You have to win.
Wow.
All right, let's see why you're the GOAT. Khalid, you could become a millionaire. 2 more. What is going on? Oh, so close. All right, now Ronaldo has a chance to tie it up. Let's see if he hits it. Oh!
Khalid, you're not giving another one. Khalid, with this ball, you're gonna
hit?
Yes.
You just blessed that ball.
I believe in you.
I think Ronaldo wants me to lose $1 million. All right, let's see it, Khalid. As unbelievable as this seems, Khalid is now up by 2, which means the only way Ronaldo can now win is by hitting all 3 targets before Khalid hits 1. You think you can hit the next 3 in a row?
Honest? No.
Oh, really? Okay.
I'm not confident.
This could be the start of the biggest comeback in history.
Oh my God, this might be it. This literally might be it.
Khalid, this is your chance to win $1 million and change your life forever.
Khalid, let's go. Good luck.
Thank you.
Give him space. Come on, Khalid.
I'm so proud of you, my friend.
Here is $1 million! Hey, Ronaldo, can you tell him to subscribe?
Yes. All the guys who follow Cristiano, they have to subscribe. Mr. Beast.
That's not what I said, but I'll take it in the video. On December 19th, I'm officially dropping the long-awaited Beast Games only on Prime Video. I gathered 1,000 contestants to compete for $5 million, the biggest cash prize in entertainment history. With 10 episodes of pure chaos, betrayal, and the highest stakes ever filmed in history, you have to see what happens. Every single episode is 1,000 times better than anything I've ever done before. Mark December 19th on your calendar. You won't want to miss it.